Welcome students in our GK session. In our GK class, today we will learn about important days. And we shall also learn that why do we celebrate these days. January 23rd, we celebrate Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose Jayanti on January 23rd. Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose was one of the heroes of Indian freedom struggle. January 26th, we celebrate Republic Day on January 26th. The Constitution of India, which was written by Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar, came into effect. So, from 26 January 1950, we celebrate Republic Day. This is our national festival. February 28th, we celebrate National Science Day on February 28th. The National Science Day is celebrated every year on 28th February in order to mark the discovery of the Raman effect by Sir C.V. Raman. April 14th, we celebrate Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti on April 14th. Ambedkar Jayanti or Bhim Jayanti is an annual festival observed on 14th April to commemorate the memory of B.R. Ambedkar, Indian polymath, the father of the Constitution of India and civil rights activist. August 15th, we celebrate Independence Day on 15th August. Independence Day is celebrated on 15th August every year. Independence Day is celebrated in the memory of our great freedom fighters who gained independence from the British rule, and this day is dedicated for paying them a tribute. September 5th, we celebrate Teachers' Day on 5th September. The Teachers' Day is celebrated in India to feel the relationship between teachers and students. Teachers' Day is celebrated in India on 5th September every year. Teachers' Day is celebrated on the birth anniversary of great teacher and personality Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishnan. October 2nd, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti on 2nd October. On 2nd October, we celebrate Gandhi Jayanti. The great Indian leader Mahatma Gandhi was born on this day. Mahatma Gandhi or Bapu is also known as the father of the nation. November 14th, we celebrate Children's Day on 14th November. Children's Day is celebrated on 14th November every year. 14th November is the birthday of Chacha Nehru, that is Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, who loved children very much. December 10th, we celebrate Human Rights Day on 10th December. Human Rights Day is celebrated annually across the world on 10th December every year. December 25th, we celebrate Christmas Day on 25th December. The festival of Christmas is celebrated on 25th December every year to commemorate the birth of Jesus Christ. Now children, you have to learn and write these important days.